Hey, hi everyone. Interesting statistics for 2024, mainly for Nebraska, eastern Nebraska, Lincoln area. Uh, Data coming from the National Weather Service, all kinds of numbers here, and it's all kind of showing this was a very volatile year. 2024 had a lot of things going on, record severe weather, tornadoes, lack of snowfall. The latest it's ever snowed. In fact, it hasn't even snowed yet in the Lincoln area. So lots to get over here. So we're going to go through a few numbers here. This is the record severe season by the numbers from the National Weather Service out of Omaha. They issued the most amount of tornado warnings they've ever issued per year, with 130 tornado warnings. Confirmed tornadoes, the most for any year, at 73 from the National Weather Service. This does include eastern Nebraska and parts of western Iowa too. So the National Weather Service out of Omaha does cover that general area. Severe thunderstorm warnings, 415 that they issued. That's the most they've ever issued for a year. So tornado warnings, confirmed tornadoes, and severe thunderstorm warnings, the most they've ever issued. No wonder I have very gray hair right now, because it has been a very, very busy severe weather season. Snow squall warnings headed over to the winter side of things, 16. That's the most for Nebraska that they've ever issued for the year. And then dense fog advisories, 135. That's the most per year, most for a year for the state of Nebraska. So tornado warnings, confirmed tornadoes, severe thunderstorm warnings, snow squall warnings, and dense fog advisories. It's the most the National Weather Service out of Omaha has ever issued in its history. So all of those things, except for the snow squall warnings, takes warmer than average temperatures sometimes. So that leads me to this graphic. Hottest average temperature. So you take the highs, you take the lows, and you average all of them up. Okay, so 365 days worth of data, the average temperature, not high, not low, but the average temperature. We are tied fourth for the hottest average temperature on record for Lincoln, for the capital city. 1934, 55.7, along with 1931, 55.7 degrees. 1921, 55.5. This year, 2024, along with 1939 and 1938, 55.2 degrees. So the fourth hottest Lincoln has ever been on record. And then 2016, 55 degrees. 2012, 54.6. 2023, last year, that's ninth with 54.4. And then 1933, 54.3. What do all of these temperatures have in common? Really, the only one that's an outlier is 1921. That was just a hot year. 1931, 1934, 1939, 1938, and 1933, Dust Bowl era. That was when there was all kinds of dust and everything else in the atmosphere warming things up. Then, other than the 1921, the rest of them are in the 2000s, 2012, 2016, 2023, and 2024. So definitely a very warm time of year, the last 10 or 12 years, and then back in the Dust Bowl era. So interesting data, interesting numbers there. Snow-free days in a row. This number continues to just amaze me. Part of the reason is because it stopped snowing so early in January. So January 18th through today, 349 days. We're 40 days past what the old record was with 309. That was set back not too long ago, 2012. Notice all of these records. The top four are in the 2000s, 2004, 2016, 2012, and then obviously 2024. So again, you're kind of seeing a trend here. When it's very, very warm, you're not seeing the snow, and the average temperature has been it's been a very warm year, and then all of these records are happening. In fact, and all the severe weather was happening too. So a lot of severe weather, lack of snow, and the latest. Okay, so you have the latest first snow. We now have that as a record too for this season, the 2024-2025. So not only have we gone the longest between snowfalls, we've had to wait the longest for snowfall for a season. So for the snowfall season of 2024-2025, we still haven't seen snow in the capital city. I think we'll see probably measurable snowfall this coming weekend, likely on Sunday. We'll see. But we've already surpassed the latest it's ever been. The latest it's ever waited for snowfall was December 31st, 2006. We've never gone into the next year, which we have now. It's January 1st, and we still haven't seen snow. Tomorrow's January 2nd. There's a small chance we might see maybe a tenth of an inch. That's what you need, a tenth of an inch, 0.1 inches for measurable snowfall. There's a tiny chance that Lincoln might see that number early tomorrow morning, Thursday morning. I doubt it. So we'll probably have to wait till this weekend, which looks like it should be Saturday night into Sunday. But just incredible numbers that we've been seeing. I'm going to go through these one more time just so you can see these numbers again. Tornado warnings, 130. Confirmed tornadoes, 73. Severe thunderstorm warnings, 415. Snow squall warnings, which are fairly new, so that's kind of an odd number, but 16 snow squall warnings. And if you want to know what a snow squall warning is, it's kind of like a severe thunderstorm warning, but for snow. So it's like a lot of wind and a lot of snow at the same time. So it's like a lot of wind and a lot of rain for a severe thunderstorm warning. Just add snow instead of rain and get a snow squall warning. Dense fog advisory. Yeah, it's been foggy. It's been really, really foggy. So we'll see if I know there's a lot of the old wives' tales about 90 days or 60 days or 100 days. Everybody has a different theory. After fog, you see moisture. So I'm kind of hoping we see the moisture because we're in a drought. We could definitely use it. And then to cap this, 2024 it was the fourth warmest year on record for average temperatures, the highs, the lows, average them all together. It was the fourth warmest on record with 55.2 degrees. Snow-free days in a row, continuing that record with 349. I'm going to guess 50, 51, 52, maybe 352, maybe 353 days in a row of snow-free days, and then we got a good chance for snow after that. So we'll see, but that blows away the old record that was 309. And then the latest for snow, we're still waiting. It was December 31st for the season, which starts in, let's see, like October. September is probably the earliest, but this snowfall season, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, it's the latest it had ever waited to snow in Lincoln was December 31st, and now we're into January, and we still haven't seen measurable snowfall. We've seen snowfall, we just haven't seen measurable snowfall. It was close just the other night, just haven't quite got there. So those are the numbers. Like and subscribe. See you next time.